y-intercept of 3x minus 4y equals 5. Z-intercepts of x over 2 minus y over 3 plus z over 12 equals 2. Line through open parenthesis 1 comma 2 close parenthesis and open parenthesis 2 comma 1 close parenthesis. X squared minus 2y squared equals 1. What quadrant is open parenthesis 1 comma 2 close parenthesis in? Distance between open parenthesis minus 5 comma 8 close parenthesis and open parenthesis 4 comma 6 close parenthesis. Equation of the line with slope equals 2 and y-intercept equals minus 3. Area of triangle with vertices open parenthesis 4 comma 5 close parenthesis comma open parenthesis 10 comma 12 close parenthesis comma open parenthesis minus 3 comma 2 close parenthesis.